ఓం అజ్ఞానతిమిరాంధస్య జ్ఞానాంజనశలాకయ చక్షురున్మిలితం యేన తస్మై శ్రీగురవే నమః. శ్రీచైతన్యమనోభీష్టం స్థాపితం యేన భూతలే స్వయం రూపగదా మహ్యం దదాతి స్వపదంకితం. నమో మహావదాన్యాయ కృష్ణప్రేమప్రదాయతే కృష్ణాయ కృష్ణచైతన్యనామ్ని గౌరత్విషే నమః. హే కృష్ణ కరుణా సింధో దీనబంధో జగత్పతే గోపేశ గోపికా కాంత శ్రీరాధా కాంత నమోస్తుతే. తప్త కాంచన గౌరాంగే శ్రీరాధే వృందావనేశ్వరి వృషభానుసుతే దేవి ప్రణమామి హరిప్రియే. వాంఛాకల్పతరుభ్యస్య కృపా సింధుభ్య ఏవ చ పతితానాం పావనేభ్యో వైష్ణవేభ్యో నమో నమః. నమో విష్ణుపాదాయ కృష్ణప్రేష్టాయ భూతలే శ్రీమతి భక్తివేదాంత స్వామి నితి నామినే. నామస్తే సరస్వతీ దేవీం గౌరవాణి ప్రచారిణి నిర్విశేష శూన్యవాది పాశ్చాత్యదేశతారిణి. జయ శ్రీకృష్ణ చైతన్య ప్రభు నిత్యానంద శ్రీ అద్వైత గదాధర శివాసాది గౌరభక్తవృంద. హరే కృష్ణ 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 హరే 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 రామ 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 హరే హరే. హరే కృష్ణ ప్రభుజీస్, హరే కృష్ణ మాతాజీస్, హరే కృష్ణ టు ఆల్ Vaishnavas. Today is most auspicious appearance day of Nityananda Prabhu, Nityananda Trayodasi. Nityananda Prabhu is universal spiritual master, Patita Pavana, ocean of mercy. Even Lord have innumerable incarnations. No incarnation is comparable with Lord Nityananda Prabhu. My Prabhupada calls Nityananda Prabhu as Abadha Karuna Sindhu. Lord's mercy have no barriers, no boundaries. He is Abadha Karuna Sindhu. Different names of Lord like Anadha Rakshaka, Apad Bandhava, Deena Bandhu, Deena Dayal, Patita Pavana, Karuna Sagara, Daya Sagara, all these titles taken the form of Nityananda Prabhu. Nityananda Prabhu is the spiritual master of universe. He is Jagat Guru. He is Adi Guru. Nothing but different names of Lord like Anadha Rakshaka, Apad Bandhava, Deena Bandhu, Deena Dayal, Patita Pavana, Karuna Sagara, Daya Sagara, all these titles taken the form of Nityananda Prabhu. Nityananda Prabhuji's parents are Hadai Pandita and Padmavati Devi. Both are great devotees of Lord Krishna and belonged to Vaishnava Brahmin family. From childhood onwards, Nityananda Prabhu used to perform several dramas related to Mahabharata, Ramayana and Bhagavata. Especially Nityananda Prabhu likes to portray the characters of Lakshmana and Balarama. One fine day, a great Vaishnava sannyasi, one of the greatest acharyas of Madhva Sampradaya, Lakshmi Pati Tirtha, visited the home of Hadai Pandita, that means Nityananda Prabhu's house. Later he asked that they should give their son to him, and later Lakshmi Pati Tirtha asked Nitai's parents to give Nitai to him as his companion. Later of, as a great devotees of Lord Krishna, they can't reject the votes of Vaishnava. They given their son to Lakshmi Pati Tirtha. At the age of 13 years, 12 or 13 years, as a great devotees of Lord Krishna, they can't reject the votes of Vaishnava. They given their son to Lakshmi Pati Tirtha. At the age of 13 years, 12 or 13 years, age of 12 or 13 years, Nityananda Prabhu left home with Lakshmi Pati Tirtha, and he travelled with Lakshmi Pati Tirtha almost all 20 years. And later he got initiated by Lakshmi Pati Tirtha. Lakshmi Pati Tirtha has realized Nityananda Prabhu as Balarama. He himself declared Nityananda Prabhu is nothing but in form of Balarama. Age of 12 or 13 years, Nityananda Prabhu left home with Lakshmipati Tirtha, and he travelled with Lakshmipati Tirtha. Almost Nityananda Prabhu travelled with Lakshmipati Tirtha 20 years. And Lakshmipati Tirtha himself realized that Nityananda Prabhu is none other than Balarama himself, Supreme Personality of Godhead. This was said by Lakshmipati Tirtha, and later Lakshmipati Tirtha given initiation to Nityananda Prabhu, and where it started as Brahma Madhva Gaudiya Sampradaya, later on Madhavendra Puri, Ishwara Puri, and Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Nityananda Prabhu met Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in the year 1502. At the time, Nityananda Prabhu was 32 years age. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was just 20 years old. That means in Gaura Leela, Nityananda Prabhu is 12 years older than Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. The union of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Prabhu is feast for all the devotees. It is a high peak ecstatic moment in Gaura Leela. Later Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Prabhu propagated Hare Krishna Sankirtana movement, and they spreaded the holy names, divine names of Krishna whoever they met. Nityananda Prabhu is maddened with love of Krishna and intoxicated with Krishna Prema. He used to roam around the streets and chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. My Prabhupada used to say, no one can predict the next step of Nityananda Prabhu. I will tell one example Leela. Nityananda Prabhu eternal associate is Abhirama Gopala Thakur, one of the eternal associate of Nityananda Prabhu, who is nothing but Sridhama Sakha in Krishna Leela. He came as Abhirama Gopala Thakur in Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Leela. Abhirama Gopala Thakur carries a stick. It is called as Prema Bettam. Prema Betta, or a stick which is symbol of Krishna's Prema, Krishna's love. Who taken any beatings from that stick will intoxicated with Krishna Prema immediately. So everyone are eager to take beatings from that stick through Abhirama Gopal Thakur. So many sannyasis will come near to the Abhirama Gopal Thakur and request to beat them. Once Nityananda Prabhu and Abhirama Gopal Thakur is there, the great sannyasi approached them and asked them to hit him and made him to intoxicate with Krishna Prema. Abhirama Gopal Thakur says to Nityananda Prabhu that this person is a great sannyasi and he constructed a great temples to Krishna. His Bhagavatam class has more followers. He is greatest scholar and greatest Vaishnava sannyasi in the society, and he have authorized Guru Parampara in the society, like that, so and all. He said to Nityananda Prabhu. But Nityananda Prabhu said maybe he belonged to Vaishnava Parampara according to the society, but actually he is not qualified. And later Nityananda Prabhu showed a person who is far away from them. Outside he is looking like one karmi. Nityananda Prabhu showed that person and said that to beat him and make him intoxicate with Krishna Prema. Then later the sannyasi asked Abhirama Gopal Thakur, you refused to beat me, I am a sannyasi. But you are ready to beat that person is looking like a karmi. How you will beat him and give that mercy? He asked that one. Then Nityananda Prabhu replied that he is looking like a karmi from outside, but he is completely cleansed from all the things and he is thinking of Krishna all the time, 24/7. He is thinking of Krishna and he don't want to be continued in samsara. Although he is in the samsara, he is not touched by it. My Prabhupada says that famous quotation is there. The person who is in samsara and not touched by the samsara, such person is greater than a renounced sannyasi. The same, Nityananda Prabhu is the same. Prabhupada's mind also the same. The pure devotees and Lord, all the thinking is same. They are dovetailed. All the thinking is dovetailed. Then Nityananda Prabhu approached that person, and both Nityananda Prabhu and Abhirama Gopal Thakur pay their obeisances and said, Hare Krishna Prabhu, you are the great devotee. And said to him and he beaten him, and he is intoxicated. Immediately he realized his relationship with Krishna and got intoxicated with Krishna Prema. This is Nityananda Prabhu. No one can predict Nityananda Prabhu. Sometimes the person who is overdrawn with sins and offenses, Nityananda Prabhu immediately showers his mercy to such a person. We can't even predict. It was proved in the case of Jaga and Madai. Jaga and Madai are the persons, even Yamaraj want to create and design a new type of hells to them. That means that is the weightage, that is the gravity of their sins and offenses. No one committed in the total entire history of this universe. Such Jagai Madai, Nityananda Prabhu claimed as my Jaga and Madai. That is Nityananda Prabhu. After drowning, after pouring, after showered with the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu, Jaga and Madai washed the feet of Nityananda Prabhu with their tears. The tears flowed like a stream. Then they realized the greatness of Nityananda Prabhu and what is Krishna Prema. Krishna Prema is nothing different from the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu or the affection towards Nityananda Prabhu. Affection towards Nityananda Prabhu, love towards spiritual master, and Krishna Prema, three are same. There is no such a discrimination between them. That is Nityananda Prabhu's mercy. Sometimes suddenly he used to go and approach the person who is fully drunken, and he make him to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, and immediately he transforms that person into a Krishna Premaka, Krishna Bhakta, and make him to realize his relationship with Krishna. This is what happened in the Nityananda Prabhu Charitra so many times. The person who approached Nityananda Prabhu or the Nityananda Prabhu approached any person, he immediately realizes a relationship with Krishna, and immediately he transforms into a Krishna Premaka. That is the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu. No one can expect the next step of Nityananda Prabhu, and no one can measure the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu. It will flows like a endless ocean. Same Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also. Karuna Sindhu. That is the reason Narottama says, Parama Karuna Pahuduyajana Nitaya Gaurachandra. Narottama Das Thakur says that by hearing the glories of Nityananda Prabhu, even stones will melt. Prabhupada says that Nityananda Prabhu is unpredictable. He is Abadda Karuna Sindhu. The mercy Nityananda Prabhu's mercy which has no boundaries and barriers. And Vamsidas Babaji used to say Nityananda Prabhu, that is Nityananda Prabhu is a mad person. He used to go for all the houses according to society who are very low born. He used to go for such houses, and he used to cook boga there and offer prasad and made prasad there, and he used to sing there, dance there, laugh there, and he used to narrate the Krishna pastimes there and change everyone into Krishna Premakas. He not have any discrimination. Sometimes, and he used to go to every house and says, Bhavati Bhiksham Dehi. If anyone comes outside from the house and they will ask, you are, they are all saying that you are the incarnation of Balarama, you are the greatest Vaishnava, why you are begging like this? What you want, Prabhu? They will ask in a humble way. Then Nityananda Prabhu says that, I don't want anything. Please chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Please chant. That is only I want. Like that, Nityananda Prabhu used to beg others to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Whoever met Nityananda Prabhu, whoever taken the shelter of Nityananda Prabhu, they will realize their relationship with Krishna, and they will see Krishna face by face. There is no doubt in that. The person who is showered with the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu, who realized his relationship with Krishna through the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu, such a person only knows the purity and greatness of the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu. No one can relish the greatness of Nityananda Prabhu until and unless then. And the person who realized Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu as Krishna himself and Nityananda Prabhu as Balarama himself. That means knowing is different from realizing. Everyone of us know that Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna and Nityananda Prabhu is Balarama. Knowing is different from realizing. Realizing is something different. Who realized Krishna as Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That means Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu as Krishna and Balarama as Nityananda Prabhu. Nityananda Prabhu as Balarama. Such a person, we should know that he is already realized his relationship with Krishna. Such a person only can realize Nityananda Prabhu as Balarama. It's vice versa. The person who realizes Nityananda Prabhu as Balarama, he realizes his relationship with Krishna, or the person who realizes the relationship with Krishna can only realize Nityananda Prabhu as Balarama and Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu as Krishna himself. In this auspicious appearance day of Nityananda Prabhu, Nityananda Trayodasi, let us all pray to Nityananda Prabhu, my Nitai, and let us all receive the divine mercy of Nityananda Prabhu. How can a fallen soul like me can narrate completely pastimes of Nityananda Prabhu? It is not possible. Days are not enough, nights are not enough, several lifetimes are also not enough to narrate completely the pastimes of Nityananda Prabhu. Nityananda Rama, he is Ananda Dhama. Nitya is eternal. Who taken the shelter of my Nitya, he will be also an eternal. He will be an eternal associate of Krishna. There is no doubt in that. He will see Krishna face to face. There is no doubt in that. Srila Prabhupada says that who taken the shelter of Nityananda Prabhu is Nitya, immediately the person also becomes Nitya, eternal servant of Krishna. There is no doubt in that. And Srila Prabhupada, my Prabhupada, is potency incarnation of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Prabhu. There is no difference in the purity, in the terms of purity between Nityananda Prabhu and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. In purity, both are equal. Srila Prabhupada Vani is internal potency of Krishna. It's Krishna Prema Purna. Who taken the shelter of Srila Prabhupada Vani, Srila Prabhupada books, they will see face to face Krishna. That is the word given by Srila Prabhupada. Special mercy given by a Vaishnava, it will never become a fail. It will never become fail. It is authorized by Krishna and authorized by all the Vaishnavas. So please take the shelter of Srila Prabhupada Vani, nothing but an internal potency of Krishna. Let us all do 16 rounds of chanting. Let us all follow 4 regulative principles, must and should. We should read my Prabhupada books, our Prabhupada books daily. Then everything is there. Srila Prabhupada is there to guide through Vani, and Krishna is there inside, residing inside our heart as Paramatma. He will guide us by the mercy of Krishna and by the mercy of Prabhupada. We will realize our relationship with Krishna and we will reach Krishna's eternal embrace. There is no doubt in that. Hare Krishna, Jai Srila Prabhupada.